Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, man. I thank y'all for coming back, watching another video. Y'all know how we do around here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know we get them videos out ASAP on dog. If you're new to my channel, man, this is really it, you feel me? This is how we kick it, this is how we thug it, you feel me? Y'all pull up, man, I give y'all some of the best content that I possibly can. Today's video, we doing another unboxing on a pair of shoes I told y'all about my last video. My last video was the Jordan South Beach 8s. If you have not watched that, I'm gonna link that right above me. Go ahead, click it, that one was fire too. But in that video, I told y'all that I had an unboxing, and this unboxing would not be possible if it wasn't for my boy, Golden Eye 702. I will link you down below in the description, guys. That is his Instagram. Contact him if you want anything from Supreme, Yeezys, Jordans, just about anything you want, he's gonna have, and he has some of the great prices. I stand behind him. Trust me, anybody I'm throwing out there, I'll put my neck on the line for it. You can trust him, that's on me. But shout out to Golden Eye, man. He always come through for me. I thank you, bro, you know that. This unboxing was a must for me. This pickup was a must for me. I'm gonna show y'all why shortly, you know what I'm saying? But before I show y'all what's in this box, I wouldn't be a YouTuber if I didn't have an announcement to make before the reason why I came to watch the video. Before I unbox this, I have to give a shout out to my boy JB Collectible Kicks, man. He sent your boy over this shirt, man. Y'all see it, JB Collectible Kicks. On the back, it has hashtag inspiration on it. Holla at my boy JB Collectible Kicks, man, out of Detroit, another upcoming YouTuber. Y'all know I support anybody coming up because, hey, I mean, at the end of the day, shit, I'm still coming up, you know what I'm saying? I will link him down below as well. He has a YouTube channel, and I think his Instagram is the same too, JB Collectible Kicks. Look, bro, I definitely appreciate you sending this over, man. I really, really do, and I'm a rocket on dog, you know what I'm saying? I ain't just gonna have it in the back for no reason. This unboxing, as I was saying, was something your boy been waiting for on dog. Ain't gonna hold you. This box been back here for a while, bro, for a while. And it's another box I gotta get. Give me a second. This is another box that didn't come with it. I got this one separately, but they go hand in hand, and you know what I'm saying? I gotta unbox them together. First off, we gonna do the big boy. Appreciate it, big dog. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no special knife, you know what I'm saying? I use this safety ass box cutter. It don't get more safe than this. You can't even get your finger up in there. It's safe. If y'all got some cool unboxing knives y'all want me to check out, then hey, look, my Instagram and Twitter is down below in your left hand corner, so just, I guess, send them to me. I'll go ahead and buy one, but I don't know where the hell y'all be finding these knives at. I feel like y'all be going to pawn shops and stuff like that, and I ain't doing all that. But yes, this unboxing is one I've been waiting for a while. You feel me? Like, a very long time. And it's a real funny reason why, and I got a great story behind this pickup. And unbox, get in that box, if you know what I'm saying. These boxes excite me more than they used to, for real. Bow, 350 box. The Yeezys, oh, the Yeezys. I don't know what it is about them Yeezys. I went out and got me some Yeezys, man. Once again, shout out to my guy, Golden Eye, for allowing me to get these, because this is what happened. Y'all remember that laptop I was telling y'all about, bro? That laptop that cost about $1,100. That laptop that set a brother back a little bit. This release was like right around the time of I copped that laptop, and to keep it a buck, bro, I ain't have it to go ahead and cop these. So my boy Golden Eye kept these on ice for me until I shot him the cash, and he sent me these out ASAP, and they got here in no time. Like I said, this was just chilling in the back before I opened it up, but y'all should know what these are by now. But if you don't know, I will open it up with you, and we have, damn, I thought they was gonna be unwrapped, my bad. The triple white Yeezy V2. Now, the reason why this shoe was pretty much the one for me, right? The story behind this shoe is when I first got into the Yeezy hype, it was like after the what was that variety pack drop, right? With the green V2 slash the no, it was copper, green, the solar, the core white, like all those. Right after those dropped, I think this was like the next one to drop, or it was something close to it, I don't know. But I remember that Kanye was saying this was like, even back then when this dropped the first time, it was quote unquote the most general release Yeezy of its time. That was before the Blue Tints and the Beluga 2.0s and all the other ones that came after. This was like the first one. And I didn't own any Yeezys at the time, and I was doing YouTube, and people would always be in my comments like, bruh, you ain't got no Yeezys, you ain't really collecting, you ain't got no Yeezys. And I wouldn't call it peer pressure, but I ain't gonna hold you, like, I did want a pair of Yeezys. I'm like, damn, bro, damn, my neck, I ain't got no Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? They don't show no love. And I went for these hard as I could. I had 10-minute head start time on everything, and it was super general release, so I knew I was gonna get my pair, and your boy struck out. I ain't get a damn one, not one pair. And I was sick. I was sick. Honestly, craziest story, the shoe I wanted the most, this is just out the blue, but the shoe I wanted the most that I didn't get was the Zebra Yeezys. Like, that is my favorite Yeezy V2, period. I don't own that shoe. I literally damn near cried. I never almost cried over a shoe I didn't get, but I want that shoe so bad. Still to this day. Please, Kanye, re-release that shoe. I need it. I might get 2 pair. That's on dog. But this is the cream Yeezy V2, man, or the triple whites as they call it. This was a must for me because I don't wear Forces, right? I don't wear Forces. I don't wear Tims. That's the reason why. Where am I at? I don't really want to. Okay, I can't find them. I don't wear Tims, so I went and got the wheat colorway foam posits. Where they at? I know they're around here somewhere. I got too many damn shoes. They're around here somewhere. I got the wheat color foam posits because I just wanted the same wheat buttery looking look, but I don't like boots. And I don't really like all white ones, and I don't have any all white sneakers besides the Pure Money Forge. But this one is just like a upgrade from the Pure Money Forge, if you ask me. All white. And the thing with all white, you have to be super, super delicate on how you rock these, especially with that prime knit. You know what I'm saying? The prime knit all the way on the uppers. These are easily to get dirty, and right now it's about to become fall, and after fall it becomes winter. And when it's winter, a lot of people be out there in that snow, and the snow get all muddy and gushy and cushy, and then your shoes are just beat to shit and your Yeezys are gone. So that's why as y'all can see, this is the Rejuvenator Water and Stain Repellent. This is the stuff that you need, absolutely need to spray on your Yeezys, man. I am telling y'all, this is what you need, bro. It's what you need, right? So like I said, this is an all white and it's prime knit. It's an entire prime knit upper, which means any dirt, anything, if you sneeze, bro, it's catching on to this prime knit, and you don't want your Yeezys to be bust down. If you want them to stay clean, go on rejuvenator.com right now, use my promo code Sniper Jones, you will get 10% off anything on the website. Anything, 10% off. And if you want to swing it to me and show me that you use my discount code, I will shout you out in the next video just because you're rocking with me. So this Rejuvenator Water and Stain Repellent is great for leather, nubuck, suede, canvas, and nylon. And the directions is pretty easy. I'm gonna just read it straight so I tell you verbatim. Area should be clean and dry prior to applying. Hold the can upright, spray 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Apply light, even overlapping strokes, and allow to dry for a minimum of 6 hours after the application before wear. So basically, man, when you spray these things, I would say just leave them overnight. So if I know I'm rocking my Yeezys tomorrow when I go to school, the night before, I'ma just spray them joints up, you know what I'm saying, 6 hours prior, and then I can head to school or I can head to work or wherever you going that you think you're gonna get your Yeezys dirty, you know what I'm saying, you can just take care of that. Now by Rejuvenator sending me a pair of this water and stain repellent, I'm actually gonna show y'all how well this works in another video. I'm gonna spray the hell out of my Yeezys with this repellent to just show y'all how accurate and just how good of a product this Rejuvenator water stain and repellent really is. And there's not a better way to show y'all than just spraying an all white pair of Yeezys and just obviously showing y'all that it works. So if you would like to see that video, then comment down below because it is coming. But in the meantime, like I said, go to rejuvenator.com, use my promo code, you get 10% off any purchase, period. And like I said, if you swing that to me and let me see you made that purchase, I will definitely shout you out in my next video, no problem at all. But that is it for the unboxing, man. Super excited. This is the newest pair in my collection. Y'all know what's going up behind me to add to the Yeezy collection. There's so many other V2s out there I still want. I'm not really focused on too many of the other Yeezys. I never liked it, the 950s were they. I never really liked any of those. I love the 350s, like that's my thing. 700s is dope and 500s are dope too. But I want every color of these, bro. I really do. Make sure y'all tell me how y'all feel about this pickup. Leave a comment down below so I can respond to it and I can just see what's going on. I can engage with my family, boy. And until next time, I will catch up with y'all. It is your boy Sniper Jones. It's been real. I gotta go. Gang, gang.